Come here. We gotta clean those toys up back there, huh? Are you gonna break my castle? That's my castle. Yes, it is. Yeah. Oh, are you gonna keep it on together? Oh, you're breaking my castle. Are you putting it back? Oh, well, doesn't look as good, but. Oh, you took it off. Oh, no! What are you doing? Oh, oh, oh. I just worked so hard on that, JoJo. Oh my gosh. Why do you hate my castle so much? Why do you hate it? Castle? What if I put it back together? Will you get mad? Will you be mad if I put it back together? Will you be upset? Can you help me put it back together? Can you help me? Can you help me with this castle? Oh no! You broke it! Oh my goodness. Silly. Will you make me some cupcakes to make me feel better, please? Will you make me cupcakes so I feel better? Well, there's a cupcake pan right here. Will you make me some? We have to cook them first. I don't like it when they're doughy. Are you gonna make me some? I really want a cupcake, Josie. Can I have one? Where are the cupcakes? Ooh. Ooh. Can you bring me a cupcake? I really want one. You have to cook it first. You have to. Will you please cook it? Put them in the oven. Put them in the oven for Josie and me. Okay. Yeah, cupcake. Yeah, but you have to cook them. Don't forget to put them in the oven. Don't ever eat a cupcake without cooking it first. Thank you. Okay, turn the oven on. Thank you. Thanks. Whee! Are they done? Are the cupcakes done? Can I eat one? Woo! Can I eat one? Then I'll feel better that you wrecked my castle. Oh, great. I would love one. Can I have one? Why? Can I have one to eat? Why? Oh, I want a cupcake. Why? Can I have that one? What if I steal one from... How come you don't want to share cupcakes with me? thank you. It's really good. Thanks for sharing. There you go. Thank you so much. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, thank you so much. Can you say bye-bye? So delicious. Can you say bye-bye? Bye. Oh, thank you so much. Well, I'm glad you share now. Thanks.